Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive, carrying by Sydney. I've got a Porsche 997 Turbo. I just finished putting a new PCM for that one, but just want to show you what I've done. I've changed the actual ignition switch, which sits down on this trim here. Sits here. That's your ignition switch there. The little trim's going to come off, and there's a plastic nut that goes into it that holds this. The nut goes around there and hold this into this trim here. Alright, it did a special tool like that to take it off, or you can just use a screwdriver. It's up to you, but don't be good to have this. There's the part number there for that tool to have it, so you can use, because you can use it on 997, 987 and Cayenne. So they all share the same switch on the Porsche 987, 997 Carrera and Cayenne, up to 2010. Alright, but always check your VIN number first before you do anything. This is the old part number of the old switch, and the new one comes with an 07 number. That's an 05. The new one comes as an 07, same part number, but the last two is 07. Okay, that's it. Just got to unplug it, put it back in, and start it up. There's no need, you don't need to code anything. Everything just works. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.